Hey friends, it's Tiffany here, and guess what? The Ulta Beauty 21 Days of Beauty is here, and I just created this look sharing some of my favorites and staples for my personal makeup kit and also my professional makeup kit. You guys want to know what it is? Go check it out. Guess what? It's Ulta Beauty's 21 Days of Beauty, and I'm going to share with you guys my must-have, my favorites, especially for my makeup kit and personally for myself. Let's see what's inside the bag. This is a staple. If you've never tried IT Cosmetic, they are amazing. The CC cream has been a favorite of mine for over a decade, probably even longer than that. But I'm really excited because I love the Nude Glow. You guys know I love having that natural glow finish. So the Nude Glow is just absolutely a must-have. My shade is Natural Medium, and I am obsessed with this. I'm going to show you guys how it works. I like to just do like maybe a good pump. All right, so here is the Natural Medium brush from IT Cosmetic, the foundation brush, and we're going to put it on here. Look at that. All right, so I like to put my foundation basically the middle of my face. Look how seamless and beautiful. Wow, this brush is so soft as well. So the IT Cosmetic is going to be 50% off on September 14th. So make sure you mark your calendars. Add a little bit more. This formulation is a little bit lighter from my own personal opinion, where it's not as heavy, which I like because you can build it up. You guys can just see right here, right? You guys saw that I had that scar and it just literally covered it up. And it's just blending effortlessly and beautifully. My skin looks like skin. It looks like I just came out from a facial. It's just so nice. Just so nice. It feels good just gliding onto the skin. I like to just drag whatever is left of the CC cream and just place it. What is a CC cream? A CC cream is a corrective cream, so it helps with like discoloration. If you have hyperpigmentation, acne scars, whatnot, it just kind of balances out the face. Like I feel like that light sheer coat or that light sheer base just really allowed my skin to feel a little bit more awake and alive, and I feel just very healthy and ready to go. Why I love the CC Nude Glow. It has 40 SPF. It protects you from UVB, UVA rays, and also has a brightening glow serum. And I love it because it's a medium coverage and buildable. So I just kind of did one like layer. This formulation is beautiful. It's not heavy. Doesn't feel like you're even wearing anything. It really feels so hydrating. And my skin literally is glowing. What do you guys think? My friends, I'm so picky about my concealers. I love a concealer that literally conceals but looks like skin, doesn't look cakey, and literally just looks so flawless. So Live Tinted killed it on this, and this is their HueGlow Serum Concealer. So I'm wearing shade 17, and I love it because it also has skincare ingredients. It's multitasking, so it doesn't just conceal. Let's go ahead and use this. I'm going to show you why this is one of my favorites. I mean, ooh, I love it. So beautiful. I'm going to swatch it here. Look at that. Has amazing coverage, yet it's just really thin. And I'm going to show you how it blends onto my skin and apply it in the areas where I want a little bit of brightness. I like to put it there. I have an acne, or I have a laser scar there. So I have a lot of freckles, pigmentation, acne scar, that needs a little love, melasma, and a little bit on my chin for brightness. You guys see I have some acne scars. Okay, I'm gonna do this brow bone too. Mark your calendars on September 18th. This is gonna be 50% off. I definitely will be stocking up on this. I go through this so quickly, so I might need to get about 5 or so, and you're gonna thank me. This is incredible. They have so many shades available as well, so let's go ahead and see how it blends onto my skin. What I love about this concealer is literally, it just melts. I mean, where'd it go? I'm gonna go close up. It literally just blends into my skin. Seamless. Blend it, but then there's that amazing coverage, brightness. I mean, it just literally does the job. I'm going to go closer right here to my brow bone where, I mean, I saw that laser scar. I've had that for maybe like 7 years. Right into the T-zone area when I want a little bit of brightness, a little bit, just dab. You can use your fingers, you can use a brush, you can use a sponge. I mean, whatever tool you prefer to use, just use it because that's what's gonna make it easy for you. I'm using a brush today because it's just lightly patting and having a little bit more control over just where I need that extra love. I mean, let's do this side. Let's compare side by side the difference of an amazing coverage and how beautifully it literally melts. I just look so airbrushed, flawless. Honestly, I could just use a concealer and be on my day and feel really confident in my skin, especially because I've been going through hormonal acne and breaking out. Oh my gosh, guys, can you see that? I am impressed. Let's see the before. I'm going to show you guys before so you guys can see what it looks like after. From this side, you guys see where I want to cover, have a little bit more love and protection, and let's do it. All right, I'm going to blend it in just right where I want a little bit of brightness, coverage. You guys saw my freckles right there, hyperpigmentation, kind of all mixed in. I mean, it's already done such an amazing job, and I'm not swiping, I'm just patting, letting this concealer, oh my gosh, my skin doesn't even look cakey. It's just so hydrated. Wow, magic, guys. Okay, we're gonna go into the mustache melasma area. I have like the pigmentation there. I mean, you can't even tell that big acne scar that oh my gosh, this has been a battle for like months. Wow, I did a good job. I'm impressed. That's really good. And then around my lips. Wow. If this doesn't impress you, I don't know what will, but you have to get your hands on this concealer. I know I keep telling you that, but it's like, you're gonna thank me. You're going to have this in your bag. This has been my go-to in my makeup kit, and also personally, I have it all the time. For me to go through a product that quickly, that will tell you how much I love it, because I have so many products to choose from, and this is definitely a holy grail. Okay, another one from Live Tinted. This is their HueGlow Highlighting Drops. I love a golden glow, and this is golden hour. And we're gonna just open it together. I just restocked on this, and it's so beautiful. Let's see what it looks like. These are highlighter drops. So what I love about highlighter drops is that you can infuse it with your foundation, you can layer it right on top, you can just kind of mix it, or just use it alone, and you can just play with it. So let's go ahead and play with it today. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use it today to place them right here so you guys can see. Swatch it for you guys. Whoa, I mean, look at how luxurious and rich and beautiful that is. So because I've already put on my base, I'm going to show you how I would just highlight right on top. But you can mix this with your CC cream, you can mix it with your foundation, whatever you want. This little bottle is magic. All right, so I added just a touch more, and I'm going to just use a flat brush. You don't have to use this brush or whatever brush feels good for you. And I'm just placing it there because since I've already done my concealer and my base, I just want to layer the top of my cheekbones. Look at that. Compared to this and this. So I'm going to also add it onto this side. It's just beautiful glow from within, and it's hydrating. I mean, it just gives you that healthy post-facial glow, which is my signature look that I love. It's kind of that people always come up to me and they're like, how does your skin look so juicy, so hydrated? What's your secret? I mean, I'm sharing with you guys right now the products that I use. Literally, the products I use make a huge difference on the way that your makeup finishes. Of course, skincare, but I mean, look, it's just a beautiful glow. It doesn't have like the glitters that look kind of cheap. It's like, it's good. I'm gonna add just a little bit more right here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it onto my finger and add it as a cupid's bow. I know it was intense right there. Just relax your lip. Let it just kind of be its, natural state. A little bit of what I have right here. I'm just going to highlight my top of my eyelid, because when someone looks at me, you don't want to look flat, you want to look dimensional, you want to look just kind of like pop, and yeah, you don't want to look flat. So I like to add a little bit of highlight onto the brow bone right there. I personally like to add a little highlight onto the bridge of my nose, just on the center. Okay, very, very light. I'm going for this like glow from within look, so I'm not trying to be like intense, right? Just like where it's super subtle and just very, very like healthy, beautiful, luxurious. Also, add a little bit more right here, and we're going to just blend it, and I'm just gonna give it onto the top of my shoulders. Okay, look at that glow, just kind of elevating everything, where it's just like this glow from within. Right here in my décolleté. I'm gonna put on my décolletage, my shoulders. You guys see that glow? High cheekbones, eyes, beautiful. Make sure you add it to your calendar on September 11th for 50% off. And there's so many amazing ways you can use this and have fun with it. You can add it to your body lotion, your base, your SPF if you wanted to. I mean, have fun with it. Like glow. You know, you're already glowing, so glow from within, and then let your skin also glow to match your energy. So I have the Black Honey collection, and I have 2 lips, and I have the lip and cheek oil. I'm going to show you how I'll use it, not just on my lips, but also my cheeks, so you have a little bit of fun, and we're going to just kind of layer it up. So I have 2 lip colors. So we have this one is a new one. This one's called Pink Honey. So right here, Pink Honey, so beautiful, soft, like that natural pinkish, like nude rose color. Let's go to the OG. This is the Black Honey. I know it seems a little intimidating, but trust me, it's so beautiful. How I'm gonna do this actually. Let's do kind of like a bitten lip color. So I'm gonna first use Black Honey, and I'm going to do the inner lips. Okay, look at that. So it's gonna look like kind of like a popsicle lip, bitten lip. And I mean, you thought it was gonna turn out this color, right? But no. And then inner. You can build it up if you need to. Now we're going to do Pink Honey, and I'm going to focus this onto the remaining parts of my lip. Okay. You think of eating a popsicle, where would it get stained? The inner part, right? We can have a little bit more fun and add a little bit more color if you need to, because every lip is different. Fresh, fun, healthy. I'm gonna wipe these off so I can actually use it onto my cheeks. Use both of these on my cheeks, okay? So let's have a little fun. I'm just gonna layer it here. Okay, it's very, very subtle. I'm just gonna use this right where I kind of have that little, right before the highlight. Same here. And I love it because these are so skinny, so it's just gonna have a lot of control. And the amazing thing about both of these is that you can wear it for your lips, for cheek, especially like when you are traveling and you don't have a lot of space, but you want something where you can use for both. This is such a great way to play with your makeup and have a beautiful, beautiful makeup look at that I'm gonna show you today. And also make it kind of like monochromatic, but fresh and healthy. And you guys see that it even has a beautiful sheer glow. I'm going to use my favorite blush brush. I'm just going to pat it in, just making sure it's seamless. I mean, you already look pretty good just applying it straight on, but I love just a really subtle, you know, natural. You can't tell where it starts, where it ends. And if you want to add a little bit more, you can. Do is actually just use my blush brush. I'm going to use more of the Black Honey just so I have a little bit more pop. Oh, there we go. Okay. And what you can do is just see, look at your face, and then see where you want to place a little bit more color. Just build it up, build it up. I feel so fresh and healthy, but now we're going to top it off even more because I just love having a beautiful glow. This is so good. This is one of my, it's just so good. I love it because it's so hydrating. Yes, I know it seems a little bit intimidating, but I'm going to show you it's not. So we're going to place it on the lips. That just gave more richness. My lips look so much juicier. So good. What I'm going to do with this too, place this onto the back of my hand right here. Yes. Just so. I'm just going to add the blush brush, and I'm just going to pop it into just where I want a little bit more flesh and glow. So it's going to give that beautiful. Make sure you mark your calendars for August 31st, Clinique's Black Honey collection. It's going to be 50% off. So you definitely need to grab this. This is a staple. It's been around for so long. Anyone and everyone can use this. All right, last but not least, I need to define my brows. I mean, everything is looking so good. I have my brows microbladed, but I love the benefit. This is their Precisely My Brow Pencil, and it's so good. It has a spoolie on this side, and here is the pencil. Let me show you. So good. The pencil is amazing because it's stiff and it creates beautiful strokes, which I love, especially because I don't have a lot of hair, but I have my eyebrows microbladed, so I need a little bit more help. And I also love it to define my beauty mark. So I'm going to show you how I use this. First, I like to just brush up the brows, make sure there's no product on it, both sides, just kind of give a good brush, and then with the brow pencil, I'm just going to create little faux strokes to give a little bit of definition. Okay, what I like to do afterwards, sorry I was concentrating, is just to blend and diffuse as I like it. Let's do this side. So I have not touched up my microblading in maybe like 2 years, so you can see why it's fading. So having a really good brow pencil, it's key for me to just kind of complete that brow look and fill in where I need to, fill in any gaps. Okay, so I like to add it here. There we go. My beauty mark is back, because when you put on makeup, it kind of covers it up and then kind of gets lost, but I'm very proud of my beauty mark and loving this look. This is going to be 50% off on September 13th, so make sure you add this into your cart. It is so good. I mean, I love the color. It just looks perfectly matched to my brows, so I love it. This completes my final look. I hope you can see why these are some of my staples and must-have for just myself personally, and also my makeup kit. Don't walk, run to your local Ulta Beauty store or go online and stock up on the 21 days of beauty. There's going to be 21 days of amazing products that are 50% off. I've only shared 5 of them, so get your hands on them. I will list all the dates of each product that I share with you guys today and when they're going to go on sale. Happy shopping and see you guys later. Bye.